Welcome to Speedy K's Boat Professional Gel Coat Services. We wanted to create this video for all of you that are out there that have boats or may have had some issues with your gel coat on your boat. Maybe it's been neglected, hasn't been properly upkept as per the manufacturer, at least 2 to 3 times a year, sealed, treated to prevent the gel coat from fading, dulling. This is something that we specialize in. We're a specialty company. What that means, all of our techs are professionally trained and certified in what we do, and very meticulous as far as it goes with the boat services. As you see, this is a before and after picture of the gel coat being restored on a boat's finish. Now, what's really nice with our services is we also give you the professional advice and recommended tips, whether you use us or you perform the services, ongoing yourself. We're always wanting to help you out with the professional side of products, chemicals that you should use to prevent this from happening. Because believe me, you don't want your gel coat to keep doing this, because over time, your gel coat will become damaged and you won't be able to do anything with it unless you actually re-gel coat it. Maybe you have a body shop sand it down, clear coat your boat, or put a wrap on it, which will give you all that professional advice and more. We do offer free estimates. And as far as the upkeep services, if you do have an upkeep service after the gel coat is restored, we do offer regular upkeep discounts. So let's go through some of the pictures here of some of the things that Speedy K's has done a few services on. And we have thousands upon thousands of pictures, with over 35 plus years in services. These are just a few, just to show any of you that are new out there or maybe existing clients. So this is a boat scratch, and of course, we do specialize in gel coat, as far as not only the restoration, but the scratch removal, scratch repair. Now, if they're too deep or the gel coat is damaged, there's not much we can do with that. We can refer you to maybe a gel coat specialist or somebody that's going to be doing body work, but we don't do any body work. So this is the before picture, and we'll get right over to the after picture. So this is the after picture of the boat, the scratch and everything being removed and then sealed and treated. When I say sealed and treated, we use the same professional Teflon polymer sealant that lasts a lot longer than waxes or other finishes. It's the same product that now they try to sell you on as far as with ceramic coating and all those other different coatings, except we've used this product for years. We don't ever falsify information as far as trying to sell you wrongful treatments or products and telling you that it's going to last forever once it's applied. Sealants usually last a lot longer than wax, so if you do it 2 or 3 times a year, it will definitely help the boat's finish. So this is another boat showing some of the runs in the gel coat up top here, actually fading down and running down into the blue finish, which is tarnishing it due to lack of upkeep. This is the services after it's professionally buffed with a 12 to 15 step buffing procedure. Just remember, if any other detail shops out there say, yeah, we can buff your boat, they only do maybe a 1 or 2, that is not correct. We do the procedure correctly and professionally, and then seal and treat it to give you the longevity and restoring that gel coat properly. This is another boat that we have done that was heavily neglected over the years, and it hadn't had anything done to it in over 8 years. So this is the before, and this is the after. So we only wanted to show you a few of those pictures of what we've done, but we've done thousands upon thousands of gel coat restoration for boats. And if you guys ever have any questions, reach out to us. All the estimates are completely free, or even advice. We give free advice to try to help you out in between services. If you purchase a new boat or what have you, we're more than happy to help you. And thank you for checking out Speedy K's.